Today we're featuring a 2017 Nissan Titan. It's a two-wheel drive. It's only got 5,000 miles on it. It's Glacier white in color. I'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. All right, everything looks good. Going along the driver's side of the vehicle. Make our way across the rear. It does have the tow hitch and the trailer plug. Spray-in bed liner. Everything looks good back here. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything's in really good shape on this vehicle. It's a 2017. It's only got 5,000 miles on it. This thing's like a brand new truck. It is a two-wheel drive, okay? So let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. And also they got it marked down to 28.2, guys. 28.2. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Got the black on black door panels, power locks, power windows. It's got the nice Titan rubber floor mats right here. All right, and it does have the leatherette trim, but the gray cloth inserts with the white stitching. Really, really nice looking seat right there. All right, it is the split bench. It does come with 2 keyless entry key fobs. All right, but this center console, all right, full of space here. Has the cup holders. You just simply push that up. Opens it up to the bench style seating. Passenger seat looks good. No problems there. It's got the cup holders down here. All right, it's got your push button start. It's got integrated Sirius XM radio right there. A couple of power outlets. Got your climate control center. All right, and your display screen right there with the radio, AM, FM, CD. All right, it does have Bluetooth and steering wheel audio controls. Let's go ahead and check the mileage. Okay, it's got 5,209 miles on it. Now that we got it started, go ahead and show you the display screen here. All right, it does not have backup camera. It does not. Okay, but the AC is blowing cold. All right, you got your climate control center there. Push button start. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Door panels look good back here. It's got the nice thick rubber floor mats, but it's also got that nice vinyl floor. Okay, it's kind of like the work truck floor. All right, but the back seat's in good shape. Cloth back here looks good. No issues at all. It only has 5,000 miles on the thing, so it's basically a brand new truck. Got the nice cup holders that come down out of the console there. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Everything looks really good. Of course, we already saw the bed liner back here. Go ahead and get the tailgate down for you. See how nice and slow that comes down. A little hydraulic in there. Nice feature the Nissan Titan offers. Let's take a look at your wheels and tires. All right, you got the 18-inch styled steel. Okay, those are steel. Plenty of tread left on the tires, only 5,000 miles on those tires. Once again, it's a 2017 two-wheel drive Nissan Titan, 5,000 miles on it. You're basically getting a new truck for the used car price. It's in great condition. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thank you for watching the video.